Hello guys and welcome. The market went down a little bit. It's not insane, but it still went down. So it wasn't wrong to build a little bit cash at the side. But this couple of weeks were so hard. I don't know about you, but life hits sometimes really hard. So I just wanted to invest my small amount which I have on the side. And as you can see, if we go to the monthly view, my portfolio went down about 1,000. It's not that big, but it was like just very fast and happened in a couple of days. And if we go into my positions, you see the result, why this happened. If I order it after the daily profit and loss, you see my biggest losing position right now is Amazon. After they announced the numbers, it went insanely down because they use capex and invest their money into a lot of things and people didn't like it and they wanted to invest as well in OpenAI. There was as well a reason why Microsoft went down, but I think right now it is time to buy even more. I need to order it again after the market value so I know how my portfolio is looking like. I want to spend the whole money that I have on my broker and wait until my salary comes again to invest again. I make it easy. I buy another $100 in Amazon and my order has been already filled. I buy as well Meta with 110 USD and last but not least, just a really small amount, $40 in Duolingo. I bought $100 in Amazon after it went insanely down. I bought $100 in Meta because I think in the future they will go up again and get to new all-time highs. And as well, I bought $40 in Duolingo. That made me a proudly owner of 1.5 shares of Duolingo. I went today to a new barber and he told me that I speak pretty well English and he's from London. That was a pretty big compliment from someone who's speaking natively English. And even with that happened, today is not a good day. I want to tell you as well, I got a little bit unmotivated because I saw a channel which calls Average Joe Dividends. I don't know who the person is and I always thought that is the solution to upload regular videos over a long time. And he's right now with a little bit over 3,000 subs, which is a great number. But if we look at the time horizon since when he's uploading, it is 5 years. Or let us make it even more to 4 years. And he uploads on regular basis. I always thought if you do something like that, you will be successful over time. I don't know if he didn't improve or if the niche with dividends is not that great. I don't know, but it's insane. He uploads since 4 years regular videos and I don't want to end like him, don't get me wrong. But it's really hard to see that someone who works so hard and spends so much time gets no appreciation for that. And if you look at social media, what is going on? There are so many people who just make TikTok dances or whatever and get famous overnight. And somebody who wants to improve and help other people stuck with a low number of supporters for the value he creates. And you see he uploads on a regular basis. And I don't know if I will end like this. And he as well shows his journey. But we have in the comparison other people who are really successful with YouTube and the things that they're doing. Hopefully he don't care about the number of his subscriber because he is able to have a portfolio over 300,000 in stocks. And that's insane. That's a goal and that's a success. But still a little bit unmotivated. If I upload for 4 years and my subscribers are just over 3K and I'm not able to earn money with YouTube, I would be pretty sad. And that shouldn't be a goal. Because you can't choose if people are watching your videos or not. But at the end, people follow you because of your personality. If you are an interesting person and create value or entertain or whatever, you will be successful. I'm pretty sure about that. That would be all. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you my investments with my $260 which I had left. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.